hatuna shida na mtu yeyote. Ile shida yetu ni hii kitu, waachilie kidogo kwa wakulima. Hiyo tu. If they can agree, we have no interest in destabilizing existing institutions. We don't have an interest. They have invested here. If they can agree to share the profit with the farmers, we don't have a problem. But if they disagree, we must do it ourselves. I want to assure you, good people, we are determined. Yeah? And we are not letting go. And I can tell you, these things are going to change. This coffee thing, we are going to bring it back to where it was in the 70s and 80s as #1 foreign exchange earner for the country. We as an administration are adamant that these reforms must succeed and they must go on. And that is why the President and I convinced Cabinet to set aside 4 billion shillings to enhance the cherry fund so that we can intervene in this period for the farmer. And I am happy that you have come up with a formula of how now we can intervene in the market. This thing we must win because it used to work then. And nothing has changed. The farmers are the same, the soils are the same, the environment is the same. It's only when we liberalized, the private people came and then they should change the farmer. What I want viongozi muambie wakulima watulie tu kidogo. Unajua hakuna kizuri tapatikana rahisi. Na hii vita pia ni kali. Unajua watu wamekula watu 30 years watoa hiyo kitu kwa mdomo watakuuma. It's not easy, but we are determined and we are up to it. The intervention of